I'm Tim Walling with SC Legal Carry. We train people to get a CWP in the state of South Carolina. If you need a concealed weapons permit, please look us up online at sclegalcarry.com. Guys, we got our plate to mount our optic on our Walther PDP. I bought the gun on Thursday night. I got on Walther's website and put in the information. They sent me the plate, arrived in 7 days. So I added the suppressor height sights onto the gun, front and rear. I came out here and I sighted the gun in. The issue I'm having is these are so high, my red dot is actually disappearing right behind the green fiber on this when I go to shoot it, which is kind of a pain when I go to shoot the gun. But I'll have to try it out for a while. Maybe I'll need to lower these. Maybe I just got them too high, could be the issue. I'm not exactly sure. I've never had that problem with a firearm before. So we'll kind of watch that and see what we have to do with it as we go along. The gun is super nice. They did a great job with the firearm. We're just gonna take a few shots with it here with the optic on it, let you guys see it actually fire. So the gun runs really nice. The gun functions really well. The shooting that I've done with it so far, I haven't had any issue with it. Gun's very accurate, staying right on target down. Altogether on this firearm, I got to give Walther an A+ on building this gun. It's a good looking gun. The grip's great on it. The controls are easy to operate. With this Holosun on it is super nice. The suppressor sights, I'm gonna have to kind of work on that because it's getting in the way of the red dot. They did a great job on the trigger. They did a great job on the slide cuts. The texturing is great on the gun. The mag release is good on the gun. With this optic on here, takes care of my issue of not being able to see very well. I do like the gun. I am enjoying shooting it and using it. So if you're looking for a new firearm, for a carry gun, home protection gun, possibly even a competition gun, this Walther PDP just might be the gun for you. Remember guys, be a responsible adult. Don't push your responsibility as an adult off onto a child. Buy gun lots and gun stations. Till next time folks, take care.